Here is how to copy and paste on WhatsApp for Android. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your WhatsApp application, log into your account, find the chat or the conversation. So this is useful if you want to share a message elsewhere. First of all, you need to go ahead and copy the message that you want to share. Simply tap and hold onto the message, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then tap on copy, and this will be copied in your clipboard. Now go to where you want to paste the message, open the message box, tap on the text area, and if you do not see that, you can go ahead and tap on this clipboard option and then select the message you want to send and then tap on send. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.